Oh, well, looks like we got a visitor in my town. We got a smoky sunset. How do you like that? Oh my gosh, why is he smoke? The same old pieces of California wildfire wants to destroy my evening. I gotta get us on camera. Or not like Sean B's Union Pacific setting. I hope it's not gonna spread out and get me sick again. Oh, you friggin' smoke, you're gonna deserve it. Ooh. All thanks to the point fire up in Lake Sonoma. It wants to hurt my lungs. I'm glad I don't even smell it yet, because all thanks to the smoke. What does it want? Get out of my town, smoke. You're not even invited. Even the smoky sun just painted my house. Why? Just why? A smoky point fire sunset. Hoping to the fire got. I hope it didn't got bigger. It was so smoke the next morning while I'm waiting for my bus. I am going to be so freaking angry about it. You know what? I'll see you in the next marching video. Train 43 Caleb and I'm out.